Morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today is January 5. Happy New Year, by the way. Um we will be doing, or we're gonna assemble the road bike that we ordered, or I ordered last week from Tokopedia. It came, or it arrived Sunday. So thumbs up to the seller. Uh, they have this very fast delivery system. So come and join me, and hopefully we will do it properly. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please do help support us by subscribing. And also, if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. Okay? Thank you very much, and come join me. Right? So, yun siya. Right? So, that's the Java Siluro 3. Okay? So we're going to actually assemble it there. Sorry. Comes with a manual. Right? And we have this one, small box inside that big box. It has the other stuff. Pedals. Free reflectors. Yeah, and the front is good. All right, so let's start the assembly. Okay. Nagkaroon lang tayo ng konting problema, guys. Kasi habang ina-assemble natin siya, akala ko tuloy-tuloy na. Pero merong part na hindi nakasama sa box. Well, syempre, yan yung mga hiccups na bike. Kasi, syempre, sa factory or during assembly sa mga factory, minsan nakakalimutan lagyan. So, ang is missing na part is this. Yan, no? Yung lock para sa seat post. So, kompleto na siya. Buo na siya, oh. And hinanap ko na lahat. Sa lahat, wala. Wala. Wala lang siya na lang talaga kulang. Hinanap ko na rin dito. Wala talaga. So that's it siguro. Kinokontak namin yung seller ngayon. Sabi naman nila, although nagre-reply sila na sabi nandun nga sa plastic dito sa loob. Pero so far naman wala. Kanina ko pa hinahanap eh. So yun nga. Sabi ko if ever na meron silang extra part or meron silang pyesa na na ganun, anohin ko na lang, kunin ko na lang kasi ganun din. Wala eh. So yun, that's it. Siguro end na muna natin yung yung video dito. So update ko na lang kayo kung anong mangyayari, kung anong magiging kasunduan dun sa seller if i-free nila na i-deliver, ipadala sa akin yung extra na maliit lang naman ang part na yun para sa lock dun sa seat post, or hahanap tayo na ng sa aftermarket. So yun. So by the way, again, Happy New Year sa lahat. So hindi naman natin masasabing fail yung video dahil nabuo naman natin actually yung parts ng bike. So yun na nga, update ko na lang kayo kung anong mga mangyayari, and that's it. If you like the video, please do drop a like, and again, support the channel by subscribing. Thank you very much and see you on the next video. Happy New Year. Bye.
1 hour later.
This is an update video of the bike na binubuo natin. Yep. So last time or the other day, hindi natin siya completely nabuo dahil kulang ng part. So may missing part dun sa seat post, where there yung pinaka-lock niya is nawala or nawawala, hindi included dun sa kit. So we tried calling or nakipag-communicate kami dun sa shop na pinagbilhan ko ng bike, and thumbs up to them kasi quick to quick to reply. They were very what do you call this, helpful, and they were very good owners kasi they were again quick to reply to to our messages, and they really contacted what do you call this, the supplier to regarding about yung error na nangyari. So yeah, again, two thumbs up to them. So I'll just link, or I'll just put their link or their shop sa Tokopedia, so you guys can actually learn or know what shop na pinagbilhan ko. So again, good customer service. So this is it. Pinadali nila yung missing part. Ito, it arrived today. It's 6 o'clock in the afternoon here. So that's it. Let's try and open this up, and let's see if we can finish assembling the bike. Okay? Okay, so that's it. Ito yung missing part. Yan o, yung lock. Open natin. There. That's it. That's the lock. See? Yung ganyang part na may-miss out or mawala. It's very important dun sa setup kasi pag we have to find a replacement part, and this part is very hard to get. Grabe, I've been searching one whole day yesterday to look for this type of, what they call this, lock, seat post lock. And ang hirap makahanap. I think yung makers lang nung Java bikes ang gumagawa nito, especially for their bikes. So it's very hard to look for this one. So yeah, again, kudos or a big shout out to the people from I forgot the shop, but again, I'll just put their shop or their description, shop description below, so you guys would if you guys are interested to buy this kind of what they call this bikes. I highly recommend them. Yeah, since they are very quick to respond, they are very kind sellers. Okay, and yeah, they're good people. So yeah, that's it. So that's the missing part of our bike. I'll just set this up now, and let's see. Okay, so that's alright, the missing part there. Okay, that's where it goes. Alright. Okay, so I'll just finish assembling this, the saddle, and what? Alright, the pedals and the front disc brake, hindi ko pa siya nakakabit. So I'll just finish this all up, then maybe make a video, do another video when we test this bike. Okay. Alright, so that's it. We're happy that we found, or they what they call this, they delivered, or they sent the missing part of the bike, and everything's all good now. I'll just see you on the next video, when we test ride this bike. Okay, so again, thank you very much for tuning in, and see you on the next video. Again, if you like, hope you like this video. If you do, please drop a like, and again, help us and grow the channel more. Help us by subscribing, and that's how you show your support. Thank you very much, and God bless to everyone. Bye.